Selena, Class 10, Chapter 21, Trigonometrical Identities. Exercise 21E, Sum number 1. Prove the following identities. Part 1. 1 upon cos A plus sin A plus 1 upon cos A minus sin A. LCM of the denominator is cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A. Multiply and divide this term by cos A minus sin A. Multiply and divide this term by cos A plus sin A. Therefore, in the numerator here we will get cos A minus sin A plus here numerator cos A plus sin A upon denominator will be cos A plus sin A into cos A minus sin A. Sin A get cancelled. 2 cos A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Cos square A minus sin square A. Sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A equal to 2 cos A cos square A minus 1 minus cos square A. So here this will be 2 cos square A minus 1. 2 cos A upon 2 cos square A minus 1 equal to right hand side. Part 2. Cosec A minus cot A. Cosec A is 1 upon sin A. Cot A is cos A upon sin A. Therefore LCM of the denominator is sin A and numerator will be 1 minus cos A. Multiply and divide by 1 plus cos A on both the sides. We get 1 minus cos A upon sin A into 1 plus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Numerator will be A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. 1 minus cos square A. Denominator will be sin into 1 plus cos A. 1 minus cos square A is sin square A. Denominator will be sin up into 1 plus cos A. 1 sin A will get cancelled. Remains sin A upon 1 plus cos A equal to right hand side. Third part. 1 minus sin square upon 1 plus cos A. Here LCM of the denominator will be 1 plus cos A. So multiply and divide this term by 1 plus cos A. We get 1 plus cos A minus sin square A upon 1 plus cos A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A equal to cos A plus cos square A upon 1 plus cos A. Cos A is common. Cos A into 1 plus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. Cancel each other. Remains only cos A equal to right hand side. Fourth part. 1 minus cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon 1 minus cos A. LCM of the denominator will be sin A into 1 minus cos A. Therefore, multiply and divide this term by 1 minus cos A. Multiply and divide this term by sin A. Therefore, numerator will be 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A the whole square plus sin A into sin A sin square A upon denominator will be sin A into 1 minus cos A. Open the bracket. A minus B the whole square is A square plus B square minus 2AB equal to 1 plus cos square A minus 2 sin square cos A plus sin square A upon sin A into 1 minus cos A. Cos square A plus sin square A is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2 cos A upon sin A into 1 minus cos A. 2 is common. 1 minus cos A upon sin A into 1 minus cos A equal to cos A, 1 minus cos A cancel each other. 2 upon sin A is equal to 2 cosec A equal to right hand side. Fifth sum. Left hand side is cot A upon 1 minus tan A plus tan A upon 1 plus cot A. Cot A is 1 upon tan A. Cot A is 1 upon tan A. Therefore, this term will become 1 upon tan A into 1 minus tan A. Here, this term will become multiply and divide by tan a. So tan a upon tan a, LCM is tan a, here tan a minus 1. Tan a taken to the numerator, tan square a upon tan a minus 1. Now in this two term, LCM is tan a into 1 minus tan a. Here we will take minus sign common, so here this will be minus and the denominator will become 1 minus tan a. Therefore this term multiply and divide by tan a, this term multiply and divide by 1. LCM is tan a into 1 minus tan a, multiply by 1, so 1 minus sign because we have multiplied this term by minus, and we have to because to make the denominator tan a into 1 minus tan a, multiply by tan a in the both the sides. So this will become tan cube a upon tan a into 1 minus tan a equal to a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab into plus b square. Therefore this will become 1 minus tan a into 1 plus tan a square a upon denominator will be same, tan a into 1 minus tan a. Okay. 1 minus tan a cancel each other, we get 1 plus tan a plus tan square a upon tan a. Now 1 upon tan a cot a plus tan a upon tan a 1 plus tan square a upon tan a tan a. That equal to cot a plus 1 plus tan a equal to right hand side. Sixth part, left hand side is cos a upon 1 plus sin a plus tan a. Tan a is sin a upon cos a. LCM of the denominator will be cos a into 1 plus sin a. Therefore multiply and divide this term by cos a, multiply and divide this term by 1 plus sin a. Therefore we will get cos square a plus sin a into 1 plus sin a is sin a plus sin a square upon cos a into 1 plus sin a. Cos square a plus sin square a 1 plus sin a upon 1 plus sin a into cos a. 1 plus sin a cancel each other, equal to 1 upon cos a, which is equal to sec a equal to right hand side. Part 7, sin a upon 1 minus cos a minus cot a will be cos a upon sin a. LCM of the denominator will be sin a into 1 minus cos a. This term multiply by sin a on both the sides. This term multiply and divide by 1 minus cos a. We get sin square a minus cos a minus into minus plus cos square a upon 1 minus cos a into sin a. Sin square a cos square a 1 minus cos a upon 1 minus cos a into sin a. 1 minus cos a cancel each other, equal to 1 upon sin a, which is equal to cosec a equal to right hand side. Sum number part 8. Left hand side is sin a minus cos a plus 1 upon sin a plus cos a minus 1. Multiply and divide by sin a minus cos a minus 1 upon sin a minus cos a minus 1. Multiply and divide by the same term. Therefore this will become sin a minus cos a plus 1. When you open, this will be the same. Therefore this is sin a minus cos a plus 1 the whole square upon, this term will be a is sin a and b is plus cos minus a. So if you take, so a plus b is cos a minus 1, a minus b, a square minus b square. So sin square a minus cos a minus 1 the whole square. Now a minus b plus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square minus 2ab minus 2bc plus 2ac. So we will open it that way. We get sin square a plus cos square a plus 1 minus 2 sin a cos a minus 2 cos a plus 2 sin a upon sine square a minus, open this bracket, a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. And then multiply by minus, we get minus cos square a minus 1 plus 2 cos a. Sin square a cos square a is 1 plus 1 minus 2 sin a cos a minus 2 cos a plus 2 sin a upon sin square a is 1 minus cos square a minus cos square a minus 1 plus 2 cos a. 1 plus 1, 2 minus cos a minus 2 sin a cos a plus 2 sin a upon, okay, 1 this get cancelled, minus cos square a minus cos square a plus 2 cos a. In this 2 is common, 1 minus cos a. Here plus 2 sin a is common, again 1 minus cos a upon, this will be minus 2 cos square a plus 2 cos a. So 2 cos a is common, remains as 1 minus cos a. 1 minus cos a is common here, so it will cancel in with the denominator. Okay, 2 is also common, so 2 will also get cancelled. Remains 1 plus sin a upon cos a. 1 plus sin a upon cos a. Again multiply by 1 minus, multiply and divide by 1 minus sin a. We get 1 plus sin a upon cos a into 1 minus sin a upon 1 minus sin a. Numerator will be 1 minus sin square a, which is cos square a upon cos a into 1 minus sin a. Cos square a upon cos a into 1 minus sin a. Cos a get cancelled, remains cos a upon 1 minus sin a equal to right hand side.